the rooftop is swamp. Everything is swamp.
So, does her condition gives her superpower?
I don't know. Maybe.
How did she get there?
He said, "What does it feel like to kill someone?"
I mean, it's like a monster or anything like bioweapon that's in experiment. Okay guys, welcome to Yin and Yang Show. And here's my friends, and we're gonna talk about mystery and horror, starting with Trisha Alexander as the host, and our friends here. What's my name is Ethan,
My name's Anna.
and my name is Brian. Okay, what are we gonna talk today?
Okay, we are going to talk about an incident in 1959 in Russia. It's very famous, and he has a game on it. So the incident called Yakov
What's the game?
Oh,
What's
so
the game?
the game called Yakov Pass incident,
Okay.
and the name of this incident is the same, Yakov Pass incident. Okay. So the story begins in the dead of winter, February 1959. In the Soviet Union, Ural Mountain, 9 students and recent graduate from the Ural Polytechnic Institute, led by a skilled mounter named Igor Yakov, set on 300 kilometers ski trek through the remote icy wilderness. Their goal was to reach Otorten Mountain. It's the peak of the mountain. So, name of the local Nancy language ominously translated to "Don't go there." The group consisted of experienced hiker, engineer, and physics student.
Even though they're experienced, the signs say do not enter. It's kind of stupid idea.
I don't know. Lah.
What are they thinking, bro?
I don't know. So, most in their early 20s, they carried camera, journals, and precise route map, aside of well-prepared expedition. When the group failed to send a planned telegram confirming their arrival, search party were dispatched, weeks later. Rescuers found their tent, tied on slope, river open from the inside and abandoned with food and books, and gear still nearly arranged. The hikers footprint led into the woods barefoot or in socks. As if fleeing in panic, what happened in those final hours remained unknown.
Ah,
Yeah.
but they find. Do they find the camera or the journal?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's nothing in there.
There is,
Thank you for the camera.
it's not used yet.
Oh,
Huh?
It's not used yet.
Oh, and the journal?
The journal is empty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stupid.
But the
I mean, they go to this hiking trip and they're not writing anything. Jesus.
But they say anything. So the search parties, they found the bodies, the 9 bodies.
What about the air? What did they find?
Okay, the bodies, some of it is injured skin to impact blast, severe radiation trace on some clothes, and one body missing facial features.
Wait. You said there are only 9 found. What about the other one?
The other one is in the night.
Huh? There's 10 people going there. 9 students and 1 expert.
Oh,
But there's only 9 found.
yes.
Where's the other one?
The other one is missing.
Shit.
Okay. And one body is missing from there. Whenever terrified those 9 people enough to fear out of their tent into a snowstorm, it was powerful, sudden, and still unexplained.
but I think the expert one was accurate.
But what did they kill it with? There's radiation on their clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no step. There is no physical mark. There's no physical mark.
Well, he or she. Expert. Might mean push or something.
The bodies is found in not in the edge of mountain. It's still on the big mountain or what? The
Near
near the
the
tent.
major market.
Yeah.
Oh wait, but your theory is kind of contradicting, no? Because the expert died too.
Well,
The soap is not is missing.
You said the expert is one of the 9.
span.
Yes, but I said what the expert, you said in the night.
I said time body.
Yes, I
After that, you said missing.
Yeah. Look.
Okay, so the missing one is the expert.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And it's still some say it's black magic.
Wait, what?
Because the mountain, yeah, because the mountain is
Sacred.
sacred.
Come on.
Personally,
Because there's a okay, there's inside there is something like a root. Some say
personally, I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
But it's kind of a little bit makes sense now because they're saying some in the local language do not answer. It must be mean at something.
But the radiation, it's,
And relation might be.
maybe there's a military.
Or bio experiment.
Yeah.
But there's explosive mark.
Yeah.
Explosive mark. That means there's some kind of landmine.
No.
I mean, it's like a monster or anything like bio weapon that's in experiment. But that's like explosion. I don't know. If that's bio weapon, I don't think I know one bio weapon that's produce explosion. We still don't know, bro. So
The story still explain.
so what's the other theory?
There's no really evidence.
Something.
No one evidence.
There's no camera. There's nothing.
There's
Expedition.
the rescue team, it's only seen about that's it.
So
Only
it's
it's only
like
radioactive and Soviet.
like what we gonna solve one case and there is no evidence. I mean that's their problem, okay? There's no journal, there's no nothing. That's stupid.
This expedition is nothing, bro.
Expedition, bro.
There's no strong evidence.
What they gonna do in heaven or hell? Okay?
Some say the Soviet is making a military campaign.
I don't know, that makes sense.
And the radioactive maybe. It's
There's no
biotechnology.
evidence. The Russian made this.
Yeah, once again, there's no strong evidence, so the case doesn't really.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense why the investigation is gonna start. Since there's no other like progress or something. There's
It's still this case is
close or what?
So they stop trying
they stop.
So the
After they find the body, they bring back the body and the case is
stop.
They just
Like
close the case.
nothing, bro. That's a one five on
No.
the expert or something. Shit.
So that's why the expert was.
because we don't know the expert is died or not. The
The Russian no.
expert we still remain known.
The thing is, only the expert is not known.
Yeah, that's why the most possible one.
But radiation, bro. It's kind of not make sense if there's a murder.
But why is missing? Why?
Radiation.
Some say
This
it's
is real, yeah.
Explosive mark.
In Italy.
Yeah, I don't know what they gonna kill with radiation. A thrower with uranium or something.
the famous conspiracy is the skill counter or the expert. It's join Congress.
Oh, so the expert, you're saying the expert joined the cult?
Because that's why there's a conspiracy in black magic.
Hey.
It's kind of
Like
like
that.
They're basically sacrifice.
Yes.
But if you sacrifice, why bring the body? Yeah.
I think they're
Maybe
just
so.
Yeah, maybe so. They don't.
they're just suck their
But
Okay. Wait.
yeah, I get it. I get it.
I understand.
Yeah, but to be honest, the murders are kind of makes sense.
So,
I don't know, bro.
nanti,
What we gonna do? We can solve this.
There's no solid evidence to actually know.
okay, shall we go to the next case?
Yeah.
Sure.
What's the next one?
So the next case is the
Hold
death.
up.
Wait.
I was like, what the hell, bro? No. That's not fun. If we got this story, I'm not playing a bottle.
He's right.
Dia ciptakan sponsor us.
Damn.
I thought this is alright.
You know what?
You know what? Okay, the whole is hungry.
Yes.
Wait.
Give me one.
Okay. So what did I do? I didn't solve. I didn't solve everything.
On to the next case. So the next case called the death of Elisa Lam in 2013
What? England, America, or something?
in United States.
United States.
US.
Okay.
So Elisa Lam was a 21 years old Canadian student traveling across California, giving a personal blog where she wrote candidly about her struggle with bipolar disorder. You know bipolar?
Explain this.
Bipolar disorder is like
Can't control your emotion really well.
Yeah. That's autism.
No, bruh.
Bro.
Bruh. Okay.
no
That's all.
So explain to us what's the bipolar.
bipolar. Apa sih?
It's like what?
Penyakit lambung. Penyakit lambung.
I thought it was mental.
Oh, no. Penyakit lambung.
So like, what's the trigger? Like what causes?
Okay, search Google.
Is it constant vomiting or something?
Yeah. We need to know.
Mana di luar aja.
Yeah, she's pregnant. The bipolar is just
Bro, 21 years old. Then.
Yeah, you can get pregnant when you're 21. Bro.
Like, there's many.
What?
Oh.
No! It's no mental.
Oh, then.
Bro. House is stupid.
Ngomongin aja.
Yo, host. You see, it's like what? It's like what?
That is it.
Oh, wait.
Okay, I think we might have to restart the recording. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Scotland is
So when I said disorder, it's a mood disorder where someone makes motion swing between extreme height and extreme lows.
PMS.
Enggak gitu.
PMS.
Enggak gitu. Ya.
This one.
I was coming from my ass.
The core idea is like mania or hypomania.
What the
Well,
fuck is
depression.
hypomania?
I don't know.
Energy break.
Just listen to him.
Sleep, racing to talk fast, overconfidence. Something feels like I can do anything.
Main character energy.
Yeah, my character energy.
Yeah.
Okay, continue then. Give the story.
The girl is
Okay, so the girl's bipolar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In January 2013, she checked into downtown Los Angeles Cecil Hotel, a place with a reputation darker than any urban legend. Suicide, overdose, and serial killer had long plagued in the
Couple
hallways.
days in LA, I guess.
Yes, exactly. The hotel, once glamorous in 1920, had decayed into a hotspot for crime and despair. Elisa was last seen alive on hotel security footage taken in the elevator, behaving erratically, pressing buttons repeatedly, picking out, hiding, and gesturing into thin air.
So there's like sometimes stalker or something.
Yes, I think.
But the stalker isn't caught on the camera.
No, it's talking to someone, but nothing new. It's like talking to
Skip show.
maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
Makes sense.
Maybe.
Maybe because of her.
So, 19 days later, after West complained about fall testing tap water, a maintenance worker found Elisa body floating inside one of the rooftop water tanks.
She thought it was a hot tub or something.
The hatch was heavy and access to the roof was restricted by a locked door and alarm system.
How did she?
Wait, how did she get there in the water? There's an opening or something? Mm-hmm.
It's just close.
Where exactly she died?
In the water tank. Inside the water
Inside
tank.
the water tank,
Yes.
and it's still.
That's why the tap water in hotel is dark,
How did she get there? What?
making her presence there nearly impossible without help. The official autopsy wrote her death on accidental drowning, but offered no explanation for how she got inside.
Wait, I mean, how about
The unsettling elevator video went viral, turning her death into a global enigma. One that blended urban horror, mental illness, and theories about invisible force or
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
We will get back later.
Yeah, we'll get back.
Hold on. So there's a camera looking at her, like talking to someone, but there's nothing there.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. There's kids. So okay.
So, and theories about invisible force or sinister human involvement.
Seriously, the both story you talk about her, it's maybe because they're both stupid, I guess. What the fuck?
But I mean, the hotel is darker than any building, like suicide, overdose,
Ah,
and maybe
what?
it's a ghost.
Why is it still open? Like, why is it
Yeah.
still open to public?
Because
After all these cases, like I said, stupid. What?
I think maybe
I mean, what the fuck is
they can do anything in Los Angeles, bro. Bro. They can do anything.
Just kill, man. Just kill. It's compacted in there.
And something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
But some say is that he's schizo, like you said.
Yeah. 100%.
The conspiracy is said he's schizo and he lived. I don't know. But the rooftop is locked. Everything is locked.
So, does her condition gives her superpower?
I don't know. Maybe.
How did she get there? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, how did she get there? It was locked, and yeah. I mean, if that's locked, okay, she might have a key or something. But there's locked. The door is locked when she's there.
Yeah.
Like, it's locked to the point where you don't even need camera inside because nobody's gonna do it. You're like,
This.
but maybe the worker there saw the the doors open, like, oh, I'm gonna close it.
You know, it's still unlocked. It's still locked.
But there's no like security camera on the water tank. Oh shit, man.
It's an on rooftop.
Hey, this rooftop have I say there's can be a security camera in the rooftop or something. So what's the most popular theory?
It's starting to ghost.
Yes.
Because, yeah, like I said, the Cecil Hotel is placed with reputation darker than any suicide, overdose, and sanitary.
I think the hotel is hiding something. Yeah.
Maybe.
The worker.
Maybe
is
that's-
the government hasn't closed it.
Then
Because this hotel in 2020 is very
cheap.
cheap and
Yeah.
the reputation
It makes sense, bro.
Right.
It's like.
in 1920.
And
Oh yeah.
so you said the ghost can lock and unlock the door?
Maybe
Maybe the
ghost.
Maybe the worker. He's like
That's what I'm saying.
like what? Making ritual for cultus, like the
by drowning the grass. And then my kid like she is schizophrenic.
You still logic, wait.
It has no logic.
Hey, wait. He's drowned in a water tank, and there is still lock. How she get in there, bro? This is
Maybe she possessed with the ghost.
what the fuck, nigga?
It's flying maybe. We don't know, bro.
You telling me she's flying and teleport and into the water
Exactly.
tank? What the?
I think we should check you on some mental sensitivity. There's something wrong here.
Yes.
So the most popular opinion is ghost.
Ghost. Yeah, it's starting to some kind
Of spirit.
No,
Yes, the hotel is Yeah, there's someone suicide.
If there's any you say that the girl attended to the ghost or something, it's caught on the security camera, right? There isn't any like voice recording or something.
The camera is not record voice.
2013 and not recorded.
Hey, this is a cheap model.
It's on 1920, bro.
Yeah.
But it's in 2013, no?
Huh?
2013, right?
20. But
They haven't upgraded enough.
Hey, cheap bastards, cheap hotel, bro. You wanna what?
Just don't go there, bro. Like, no,
Yeah.
and
Okay, what's next?
okay,
Next.
No, the yeah. I thought all the ways.
Bro, Chitapa bought lace.
yeah.
This is lace.
This is lace.
Where's the lace? Chitapa bought. This is light. Chitapa bought the company of lace. Yes. And then they became. Yes.
The more you know, I guess. Everyone good.
Next, we are going to murder case,
Finally.
and we are going to Japan.
What, they're gonna have an anime girl?
So, there's a boy in Japan named Saito Sakakibara. Was born in 1982 in Kobe, Japan.
Oh, like a popular.
Yeah, I mean,
Isn't it?
yeah,
It is, right? It is like
yeah.
Yeah, of course it's fun.
He was a smart and wealthy child, a well-behaved boy, but he had a dark side. Saito Sakakibara was fascinated with death and frequently experimented with insects. He collected their heads and taught his friend things like, what does it feel like to kill someone? In this sense, well, he says,
So he started doing that when he's 12 years.
Yeah. But when this incident happened, how old is
How old was he when this incident happened?
Yeah.
the killing or the insect?
No, when this incident.
Yeah, this case.
1997.
How old is
How old is she when that incident
What?
happened?
Okay.
2 years? 2 years.
2 years of collecting insect.
So the first incident began in 1997. Saito Sakakibara began going out at night carrying a hammer, a knife, and a plastic bag.
For killing people.
Yes, this is me. The first victim were two girls named Ayu, a 10-year-old, and Mary, 11-year-old, who were attacked while returning from school. Ayu managed to escape the 10-year-old, but Mary was struck repeatedly with a hammer. Forensic experts conclude her killing was not act of rage, but done for pleasure. Is killing for fun. So, like maybe people are killing with rage. They going to hit you in other body parts, like in hand, maybe in knee, maybe in head. But this, it's only in head. Repeatedly again.
So he's like to stab
Yes.
a human head or insect.
He's using a hammer.
Oh, a hammer.
Repeatedly again in the
Sorry.
child head.
Yeah, what happened with the 10 years old?
The 10 years old is when he go home, he called his parents, and one day after the police came, and the girl, the 11-year-old Mary, the face is yeah.
Like it's dismembered.
Yes.
Okay. So the boy, who is his name, Hidori, whatever.
Sato Sakakibara.
Satori. Whatever. They consider the police take it.
No, he's not.
Oh, so he's not far from the murder scene?
No,
There's no camera at all.
the murders remain no because he using a mask. Like I said.
Oh. Oh, I thought you said. But how does they know? Oh, yeah, the 10 years old.
Yeah.
But how's the 10 years old now?
Yeah.
That's his cycle.
The 10 years old doesn't get like hurt, right?
I mean, so escape.
So, what I mean by like is the 10 years old is Kevin, right? But how does she okay, how does she knows that it's cycle?
No, it's not.
She doesn't.
She doesn't.
That's why.
There's he only knows. There's a person who's doing this.
Okay, so how does they know that it's cycle?
Wait, Saito and Ayu, it's strangers or friends?
Strangers.
Oh.
So how does they know it's cycle? Wearing that mask?
No, it's not.
No, they
So
don't.
why you
If I
saying
mean-
that it's Saito?
Yeah.
You said the boy. That boy, we talk about Saito.
Saito is the one doing the killing.
Yeah.
They don't know.
They don't know it's psycho. I'm telling you.
Oh.
Yeah. So how does the police know that it's cycle?
No, the police is not know.
Wait.
So how?
At the end, the police know. Yeah.
At the end. Yes.
It's how?
Okay.
I will explain you later.
Later.
Just relax. This is the first incident.
Ah,
Yeah, there's more.
There's more.
There's more incident.
Okay. The second victim on May 27, 1997, a boy named Jun Hase did not return home. The next day, this is creepy as well. His head was found at his school.
Oh.
The Jun Hase, his head is found in school, the burial school.
Okay.
So stuffed with pepper. The pepper is in the
Also, the killer stuffed his mouth with paper.
so that means he like straight when he struck them with the hand. I mean like what the cycle stop the what's the guy's name? That is
Jun Hase.
Huh?
Jun Hase.
Okay, the Jude. Jude been stuck their mouth with
No,
pepper.
he is killed with
Yeah, killed. But in the process, his mouth is stuffed with pepper. So that means he is screaming in the process. Oh, that's fucked up, man.
okay.
So that means it's not instant death, right? That's, he is the Jude is experienced the blood hammer.
No, he's not using a hammer.
What?
Okay.
He is Henry's throat had been neatly sealed. Slit. So,
Because the guy is dead, so it's not a hammer cannot.
his head is chopped perfectly. Oh,
Really?
perfectly.
Okay. So like, it was just insects at first. Now it's actual.
Yes. Because he said, "What does it feel like to kill someone?" He says it.
Now it's not.
Wonder.
No, it's not. Nah, inside the paper, there is a note. It says, "This is the beginning of the game. Police try to catch me."
Like Zodiac Killer, right?
Yeah, like that. I want to see people die and feel human blood and flesh rot. He says that in the paper.
He's only 30 years old.
For
Okay. Oh, yeah, 40. He should. When I was 14, I'm just playing my game or something.
I'm playing outside with my friend, bro.
Okay, so what's the next victim?
And he signed a name called Seito Sakakibara. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain. Seito Sakakibara is fake name.
Oh, that is Saito. It's just his fake name.
Yes.
Okay.
So the real name isn't known.
Unknown.
So how does the police know
Yeah.
that he's wealthy?
Okay. 1 week later, another letter was sent to a newspaper called Kobe Shimbun, starting, "I am a cold-blood hunter. I killed because I want to kill." And beneath it, the name Saito Sakakibara is named again. Saito Sakakibara is translated means it's drunk with evil spirit, holy warrior, thorn rose.
Murah. Iya, makasih.
Apa evil spirit, holy warrior, and thorn rose.
That it has no correlation.
Sakakibara was identified because several residents report seeing a teenage boy connected to the murders. And the police called in linguistic expert who determined the writer's style matched that of a 14 and 15 years old.
I mean, okay, like, do the police believe that like a teenager is doing all of this at first?
No.
No, right?
They believe that it's an adult.
Yes, like, I mean, I do too. Like,
I mean,
Bro,
14 years old is no one the right man will
right.
will cause 14 years old with this murder.
The police, when know it's 14 and 15 years old, they shocked.
Oh, but does the parent know that the Sino guys is like have a hobby of collecting?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
the Saito parents know.
Yeah.
I think they
But like,
And why?
maybe.
they don't
Then why
stop.
you don't report?
No,
Yeah.
they don't stop.
When they it's not explained.
Yeah, like I said, all of this story is one way problem. There's no way.
The investigation was narrowed to local school, and it was discovered when his home was searched and investigator found violent writing identical to the letters. So I found it. During the interrogation, he remained calm and unrepentant. Yeah. He said quietly that he wanted to know what it felt. It felt like to take a life and murder made him feel alive. A psychologist examined him and the diagnosis antisocial and sadistic tendencies.
So it's now in like mental disease.
Yes,
Okay.
it's antisocial and sadistic tendencies.
Good.
He also confessed in detail to killing Jun Singh. He explained it how he
Oh, so he
chopped it,
explained his way of
Yes.
like to kill.
he lured it, he chopped it, everything in detail.
I want to know how that he managed to cleanly cut his head
Yeah.
off. Because it takes skills, you know.
Yeah.
It's good for butchering something with chicken.
Yeah, some chicken dish.
He said the murderer and dismembered him at home, washed the body part, and then in the early morning brought the head to the school so everyone would see it. That's all you say.
This is my trophy. Look at this.
Exactly like that. Because of this case, Japan lowered the minimum age of criminal responsibility from 16 to 14.
Oh, so Saito isn't charged with prison or something? This
The Japan lowered the minimum age,
No.
so it can be prison.
so here's the thing. Outside of Japan, like United States, if the crime happened before the law is present, it did not come. So the
Japan, because this boy, bro, is dangerous, bro. 14 years old, can think like that. It's beyond.
Yeah, I mean like I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, it's already a serious case.
Yeah. He was held in a juvenile prison until age 20. And in 24, the Japanese government quietly released him.
Oh, so when he's 24, he got released.
20.
20?
Yeah. In 2024. Yeah. Sorry. The Japanese government quietly released him,
Why?
gave him a new identity, and relocated him. Some say he released because of good behavior. Good behavior. I don't know. You talk about
I will not chop your head.
I'm gonna kill somebody
Take
again.
over done, just chill.
And you look at him,
Yeah.
his current whereabouts remains unknown. But in 2015, a person named Sakakibara published a book titled Zeka, or the Zeka means is forbidden poems. In that book, he described his experience of murdering people with horrifying detail and wrote that he continued to struggle against the dark urge within him. Jadi, so
He said he still has the urge.
yes, the dark side, but he tried to fight it.
Good.
Yeah, that's the end of the story.
Okay, so
Bro, imagine a 14 years old boy can think like that.
Yeah, I still wonder how did she and did he?
Yeah.
But
But, and how does he know that he like to chop off insect head?
I don't know, it's the head.
There's a little different thing about top insect.
But the insect
And chop a human head.
it's like, what does it feel to like to kill someone?
I personally felt disgust when I touched like cockroaches or something. But he's chopping their head off and collecting them. What the?
Hey.
Might be a person. What is it called?
What?
I'm just continue. I forgot.
Man, this case is making me then
Shivers.
bro. Like 14 years old boy, bro. He can be anywhere. In this, maybe in this country too.
No.
We never maybe. In our we may possible to find
Nah,
a psychopath.
Yeah.
But we don't know.
Yeah, it's true. Statistically, yes, it's correct. It's like something, 10% of the people we met is psychopath or something. Yeah.
Something like that. We never know.
and I don't know. And then I don't know nothing.
Who wanna know?
Yeah, his friend is like apa? Psychopath like.
What about me though?
Get this guy out.
Damn. That's my
Okay, so what's the conclusion here? That we should not be a stupid person, so this kind of stuff
Damn, yeah.
happen again.
I agree.
We should add cameras so cases like this can be solved.
Yeah. And when we are go like hiking or something,
Bro,
camping.
look at the journals.
Yeah, or I just
Well, let's put the camera in.
Write something.
Yes.
Bro, there's a warning.
Do not enter. Let's enter.
yeah. I'm an expert. Trust me.
Damn.
Go.
What the?
Damn.
It's like, bro. And this.
And the one with schizophrenia, bro, like this.
So, any of you want to give a case? No?
I this case is
Enough with that.
I traumatized already. Yeah. That's her story.
the story is better. It's
Yeah.
full cycle.
But I like the last one. Most logical.
Yeah, because there's no like mystery assumption.
Yeah.
And the second one is genuinely dumb. How did she end up in a water bed?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Doesn't make sense. And the door blocks.
And how did she get there?
And then we look first.
Like I said, maybe ghost possessive and flying.
I don't believe it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's not okay.
Okay.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, I think 3 cases is enough. I mean,
I think they traumatized with the third case, bro.
Oh.
Damn. The case is damn.
each step in a shivers.
Okay, so what are we gonna do now? Just chill or something?
I'm probably gonna.
Yeah. Let's go out and eat something.
Yeah, probably
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for listening in our Yin and Yang show, and maybe we'll see you guys other time.
I will probably see you guys another time, or maybe not.
And don't be dumb.
Yeah.
Damn.
Write something if you want to go hiking or something.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.